Good evening, class. Well, this is it. Last live meeting, if you want to call it that. But for those of you that showed up, appreciate it. For those of you that participated, appreciate it. For those of you that turned in your work on time, appreciate it. For those of you who still need to turn in late work and have not sent me an email, do it. Reach out to me, contact me. If I don't have a matching email with late work submitted, you're not going to get a grade. So reach out, make arrangements for that. We'll talk about it via email. Other than that, we are in the last week. Your final is due on Saturday by 11:59 p.m. I went over that last week. I'll do a quick recap here. Final exam, it's two parts, even though there is three listed. The third part is a practice final exam. Open book, multiple choice. Much like your final exam. Open book, multiple choice. 50 minutes, 50 questions. If you've done well throughout this course, shouldn't be a problem. The second part of the exam is your lab. Click on PDF. It's a trivia game. There are some requirements, and they're all right here. Mainline logic, error handling, header, comments, global variables, all the fun stuff that we covered, right? Simply, if you wrote a good lesson 5 rock, paper, scissors script, you could leverage that construct, that template for code and repurpose it here. Shouldn't it be an issue? But so far, it's been my pleasure to get to instruct you folks for you future cyber warriors and admins and devs. It's been my pleasure. Reach out, hit me up on LinkedIn. I'm on Twitter as well. Feel free to communicate with me. If you folks need any help doing looking for internships or open positions in the cyber community, reach out to me. You have my email, of course. Stay in contact. For those of you that are actively looking for a job and have a resume and want a second pair of eyes on it, I'm here for that as well. I can help you out. Don't be strangers. It's a small community, a small city. Once you get in the cyber community, you'll be amazed at who you bump into. Hackers Teaching Hackers happens over at the brewery over in Canal Winchester once a year. They have a couple events. I know they have a couple events, but one typically it's Hacker Teaching Hackers, HTH. Uh, Many of my former students are there. They're participating. They're giving talks. They're running the IoT village. Uh, Super cool stuff. Just get involved with the community and have fun. And other than that, happy holidays and enjoy your break. I know I'm going to. It's been my pleasure. Have a fantastic break and wish you well in all your endeavors. Take care.